People are 2 times more likely to avoid pain than they are to seek pleasure. And there's a good chance that your products or services solve somebody's problem. Struggling with how to figure out which problems your products or services solve? Give this exercise a try. You'll find it a lot easier to identify those problems and then craft your marketing messages to support how they actually help a person avoid that pain so that they ultimately can seek pleasure, but they'll be more likely to do so. This is called the what could possibly go wrong exercise. What you're going to do is actually write out something about your product or service, or just say, here's my product or service. And then ask yourself the question, what could go wrong if somebody doesn't invest in that product or service? Answer that question. And then keep going. Well, if that happens, what could go wrong? Or what problems does that cause? And then keep going. Stop when it feels natural to stop. You don't want to over-exaggerate. So after listing out all the answers, go back through and make sure these are realistic problems people actually encounter if they don't use your product or service. You don't want to go too far, but this can help you identify some really great problems that your product or service solves. So give it a try. Let me know how it goes. And if you're looking for some additional exercises you can try these videos in the next screen. There are 2 other exercises that you can use.